our sin, we lose the authority of sin that operates within us. So when you confess, you make it easier for any sin that was in you, that has always been walking around you, to lose the power of holding onto you. The sin power expels away the authority of God, the relationship of God, and the desires and the plans of God over you. The sin power is an insulator that makes you not have direct contact with God. The sin power, it is a relationship, relates you with the devil himself, and it creates a legal ground where the devil can operate from. That is why when Hagar misbehaved in front of Sarah, she was chased away. Akafukuzwa, akatoka kwa Sarah. Na alipoenda kwa kichaka mahali alienda kukaa, malaika wa Mungu alikuja akamuita jina Sarah. Bwana Yesu asifiwe sana. Alimuita jina Sarah. Kisha akamuuliza, unafanya nini hapa? Sasa swali ni hivi, angejuaje jina akose kujua anafanya nini hapo? Malaika alijua exactly, this woman has misbehaved. This woman, this is the sin they have committed. That is why alitumwa mpaka kwa kichaka na wakamlocate, wakampata huko. Kisha akamuuliza, unafanya nini? Walikuwa wanajua anafanya nini, but what they wanted from her, it is her confession. Her confession. When you speak it from your mouth, you get this. That is what we call a confession that releases you from the sin power. Sin power holds you. Sin power stops you. Sin power engulfs you. Sin power suppresses you. So when you speak, you cut all those chains and the boundaries that are created by the power that is of Lucifer himself. Sin power is a direct product of Lucifer himself. So when you have the power of sin in you, you operate with Lucifer himself. You are controlled, you are manipulated, and you are limited from anything that you... They put a blanket, they put a wall, they put a veil that stops you from going to the next level. The sin power, it becomes generational if you grow it in you. Because the power you have to sin, it is not from you. It is from your father, and from the grandfather, and from the great-grandfather. What you are great, that's what God says. God says that nitafikishia mawaganu ya fafa hadi mpaka uzao wa ine na watano. So it is not from you. The life you are, maybe umeolewa mara 6 mara 10. Na before kuolewa mara 6 mara 10, wale wamekupitia ni mara 20 mara 30. So that is not you. That is not you. It is the power that controls you and makes it easy for them to come into you. Because there is a legal ground of the power that was authorized by your ancestors. The power to do things, it is controlled by either Lucifer or God. When Joshua had to take over from Moses, God told Joshua, arise now and lead my people to the land I promised their fathers.